Step 1. Start by removing the left and right headrests. The middle headrest can remain in place. Step 2. Find the backrest cover and place the top corner over the top corner of the seat, then tuck the plastic headrest housing through the holes in the cover. Step 3. Work across towards the next headrest. Before continuing, thread the cover underneath the seatbelt so the seatbelt remains outside the cover. Step 4. At the middle headrest, undo the Velcro at the top of the cover and reattach it behind the headrest stalks, then tuck the cover into the plastic headrest housing. Step 5. Continue fitting the cover towards the far headrest, threading the cover underneath the remaining 2 seatbelts. Step 6. Tuck the remaining 2 plastic headrest housings through the holes in the cover. Step 7. At the sides of the backrest, lift the seat base cushion slightly to give yourself more working space. Step 8. At the top corner, tuck the cover into the gap between the backrest and the plastic trim. The plastic trim can be lifted slightly to create more space if needed. Step 9. Attach the lower outside corner of the backrest cover. Step 10. Wrap the inside corner around the lower edge of the seat. The backrest can be pulled forward slightly to give yourself more space if needed. Step 11. At the bottom of the seat, tuck the fabric above the ISOFIX metal connectors so they remain fully accessible. Step 12. At the edge of the seat, tuck the foam retaining strip into the gap between the backrest and the plastic housing. Push this in as far as possible. Step 13. Repeat this process for the remaining 2 backrests. Step 14. The base covers have a hole at the front for the seat adjustment toggle. Step 15. Lift the seat base slightly and attach the front corners of the cover around the front corners of the seat base. Step 16. Pull the front seat adjustment toggle through the hole in the cover. Step 17. Pull the cover towards the rear corners of the seat base, wrapping the cover around and underneath the seat. Repeat this process for the remaining base cushions. Step 18. Undo the Velcro on the headrest covers and wrap them around the headrests. Step 19. Refit the headrests to the seat. Step 20. Slide the 2 armrest covers onto the armrests. The longer side of the cover should face forwards.